Want to learn how to use CoConstruct's mobile app to streamline your construction projects? Stick around because in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to make the most of this powerful tool, whether you're managing your team, communicating with clients, or keeping your project on track. You can try CoConstruct's mobile app completely free using the first link below, along with our exclusive bonuses. Now, let's dive in. The CoConstruct mobile app is a game changer for anyone working on construction projects. First, you'll want to make sure the app is installed and that you're logged in with your CoConstruct account. Once you're in, you'll find a dashboard offers a user-friendly interface. Right from here, you can access your project list, recent updates, and quick links to important features. The app is designed for ease of use, meaning everything you need is just a tap away. Next, let's talk about managing your project. From the app's home screen, you can easily view and update project details. You'll see project timelines, budgets, and progress photos all in one place. The best part? The app syncs with your CoConstruct desktop account, so no matter where you are, everything is up to date. This is crucial for keeping things moving smoothly, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. The third thing to highlight is how you can communicate with your team and clients directly through the app. CoConstruct's mobile app has built-in messaging and notification features that keep everyone on the same page. Whether it's sending updates to your client or getting feedback from your crew, everything is tracked within the app, ensuring you never miss an important message or task. The fourth thing you'll love is the ability to manage your budget right from the mobile app. You can track expenses, view change orders, and even compare the budget against actual costs. This can save you time and headaches during the project, helping you stay on top of finances without the need for complicated spreadsheets. Another key feature is the photo management tool. The mobile app allows you to take photos of the worksite and attach them to your project records. This gives clients and team members immediate access to visual progress updates. The integration with your project timeline and budget lets you document changes as they happen, creating a clear record of the project's evolution. The sixth thing you should know is how CoConstruct helps with scheduling. The app allows you to create and manage tasks for both your team and subcontractors. This is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments on the fly. You can quickly add or change tasks based on real-time progress, ensuring everyone is working efficiently. At the end of the day, the CoConstruct mobile app is built to keep your construction project moving smoothly, whether you're on-site or on the go. With everything integrated in one place, the app makes project management simple and efficient. Before you go, don't forget to check out the link below to grab your exclusive free trial. This will give you access to CoConstruct's mobile app and its features, plus some awesome bonuses to kickstart your construction projects. Take advantage of this limited offer now and see how much easier managing your construction projects can be with CoConstruct's mobile app.